confirm text entry, you can use the arrow keys in the desired direction or press Enter. When we select a cell, we see that the column and row containing that cell are highlighted. Also, in the name box, we can enter a cell address, and that cell will be selected. If we enter a range of cells, we separate them with a colon. If we select a larger range of cells, multiple rows and columns are highlighted. To insert a new line within the same cell, we use the shortcut Alt plus Enter. If we press only Enter, the cell below will be selected. It is possible to enter more than 30,000 characters in a single cell. If we want to enter the same text into non-adjacent cells, we do it as follows. Select a cell, then hold the Control key and select all the cells where we want the same value. After entering the value, hold Control and press Enter. All selected non-adjacent cells will be filled. Also, here is an example when we have empty cells and want to fill them all at once with the same value. Use Control plus Enter. When we want to enter the same values in the same cell addresses across multiple sheets, we must select all those sheets first. After entering the value, it will appear simultaneously on all selected sheets. If we want to cancel an entry, we press the Escape key. To edit a cell and position the cursor at the end of the text, we use the F2 shortcut. If we want to position the cursor anywhere else within the cell, we can double-click the desired part of the text. When we have longer text in a cell, we can move word by word using Control plus left or right arrow keys. If we want to select text word by word, we hold Control plus Shift and use the left or right arrow keys. For the beginning and end of a row, we use the Home and End keys. To go back a few steps, we use Undo, and to move forward, Redo. There are also shortcuts for these, Control plus Z and Control plus Y. If we want to repeat the last command, we can use the F4 shortcut. In this example, it shows repeating text, bolding, and cell coloring. We can copy cells in several ways. One way is right-click, copy, then right-click, paste. When pasting, we can choose whether to copy the entire cell or only values without formatting, formulas, transposed cells, only formatting, or a link. Another way to copy. Move to the edge of the selected cells, hold Control, and drag with the left mouse button to the desired location. A third way is using shortcuts, Control plus C and Control plus V. For moving within the same worksheet, just go to the edge of the selected cells and drag them with the left mouse button to the desired location. You can also use right-click, cut, and right-click, paste. The clipboard history in Excel stores everything we copy, so we can copy multiple items at once and paste them later, which can save a lot of time. Regarding entering text, numbers, and dates. Numbers and dates are aligned to the right by default, while text is aligned to the left. If we enter a number with more than 11 digits, it may appear differently. But that is not an error. We just need to format the cell as a number to display all digits. There is an issue when entering numbers longer than 15 digits. Everything after the 15th digit will be converted to 0. In such cases, it is recommended to format the cell as text first, then enter numbers longer than 15 characters. The shortcut for date is Control and semicolon. The shortcut for time is Control, Shift, and colon. Dates can be added and subtracted. When we convert a date to raw text, remove formatting, we get a number. That number represents the number of days since January 1st, 1900. This is how Excel calculates dates. If we format that number as a date again, the date display will return. To fill number series, there is a small square in the bottom right corner. When we drag it, we get a drop-down option to either copy values or create a series. We can also enter other types of series. Excel recognizes patterns and continues them accordingly. There are built-in lists for months and days, and Excel automatically fills them when extended. The same applies to days of the week. If we enter Monday, we can extend it to automatically fill the rest of the days. Autofill should be used when entering a value directly below a table where similar values were previously entered. Excel recognizes this and suggests completing the entry. We just need to confirm with Enter or Tab, so we don't have to type the full text. A drop-down list of previously entered values can be accessed using Alt plus down arrow. It shows all unique values entered so far. The flash fill option. Excel recognizes a pattern in the data entry. For example, if we enter first name and last name in a certain way, it will suggest filling the rest automatically. We just need to type the first example exactly as shown in neighboring cells, and Excel will understand what to do. The shortcut for flash fill is Control and E. If we clear only the content, the formatting remains, so the next text entered will still be bold and in a colored cell. When we clear formatting, the raw text remains. There is also an option to clear everything, Clear All, which removes both text and formatting. Clearing a cell with the delete key is not the same as right-click delete. Unlike the delete key option, right-click and delete gives options for shifting adjacent cells after deletion.